Hi everybody. The first thing I want to do is thank you so much for downloading this goal definition workbook. So what I'm going to do is take you through the steps of actually downloading either the printable version or the digital download, whichever you prefer. So at this point you should be at the thank you page, and if you're at the thank you page, you'll see, if you scroll down a little bit, that there is a couple of versions of this workbook for you to use. So first is the digital planner version. And for me, I am on a big journey to go paperless. So for all of you who are going on that journey as well, then the digital planner version is the one for you. I will download that and show you how to use it in GoodNotes and show you how I plan out my 2019 using that particular version. But for those of you who are still in the paper planning mode, which is perfectly fine, you can use the printable download. So basically you would click the printable download, and on your iPad or on your computer, it will show up the PDF. What you can do then is take the PDF and download it to a cloud drive. If you use Google, you use Chrome, you use Creative Cloud, Outlook, whatever you choose, you can download it to that location. I'm going to download mine to Dropbox. So click Dropbox, and if I'm on my iPad, I can select which folder I'd like to download it to. In this case, I'm just going to choose the sample folder and then click Save. You'll see the little progress bar going across to show how well it's downloading. So once that's done, it'll open up, or you can open it up, and you can see your worksheets here. Now, basically what you're going to do is either print from your iPad, or better yet, print from your computer, and you'll have the actual documents here. So I'm just going to move this out of the way for a second and show you kind of what the documents look like. I printed mine double-sided to save a little space and save a little paper. You know, love the environment. Like to keep it nice and here for future generations. And since I use a disc-bound planner, whenever I do use paper, I use this hole punch to punch for disc bound. And basically what you would do is make sure that the size slider lines up with letter. Here there's letter, there's A4, whichever one you choose, but this is printed on letter paper. So basically you would slide it up so it clicks right there in letter, and then you would line the paper up to punch it. I've already made the punches, as you can see. And then, so basically what I do is take my binder and open it up and to the next place and put all the sheets where they're supposed to be. Very easy, easy peasy. And you can open it up and write la la la, goals, goals, winning at life, blah blah blah. So there you go. And again, there's a worksheet here on good goals versus bad goals, why they're bad, so that you can have a little bit of guidance on really what makes your goal definition perfect, so that you can really accomplish them in the year. So that's the paper version. Fits very well. Of course, if you have a 3-ring binder, you can 3-hole punch these documents and put them in there, and you can make as many copies as you like, because maybe you want to go beyond these goals. Maybe you want to cross out business and write something else in there that is more relevant to you and your lifestyle. So that's how you use it from a printable version. Then I'm going to actually plan out my 2019 goals right here in front of you. So you will get a first-hand look at what me, Nicole Johnson, is going to be trying to accomplish in 2019, okay? And maybe you can hold me accountable for those goals.